Hello and welcome back to Sci-Fi Tech. In this video I want to do a teardown of this computer mouse. I'm curious to see how it works and I want to see if there's any parts worth salvaging. Let's get started. First what I'm going to do is do what I always do. See a screw, take a screw, see a screw, take a screw, and remove all of the screws I can find. And it opens up just like this. Okay, so nothing quite interesting up here except for this metal piece, which I find to be interesting. This looks like it's some kind of a weight, maybe to keep proper balance or something on the mouse. I find that to be very interesting because I never thought a mouse would need something like this. So what I'm going to do is unscrew it and have a closer look at it. Oh, okay, it's just a basic weight. Interesting. And as you can see, I removed the USB cable, so I can definitely use that in the future. And now looking at the circuit, I'm going to go and remove some more screws and pull out the circuit. And this right here is a camera sensor that the mouse uses, and why there's a camera sensor is because when there's this red LED that shines underneath it and the mouse moves around and it has a very close macro view of the surface, the camera will be able to detect the movements and recognize the orientation, and it will send the signal over to a processor that is inside of the mouse, which means the processor is able to compute the direction of which way the mouse is moving. So that way it can be able to display on your computer the little cursor that's on your screen, being able to know which way it's moving. Which gives me an idea to maybe use this as some kind of a camera. Might try that in the future. And these little pressure switches are very interesting because this is what you use when you're clicking on the mouse. This right here is a little infrared sensor which can also detect movement when you roll that little roller that is on the mouse, and also some basic components that are potentially useful as well. This right here is a red LED that shines through a lens to be able to disperse the LED light underneath the little camera sensor. And these are the items that I have salvaged. This little weight right here is potentially useful, some of these components on the circuit is also useful, and this USB cable I can definitely use. And of course, to make things simple, I'm going to simply leave the components on the circuit, so that way I don't lose any of the components, and whenever I need a component, I can just simply go ahead, desolder, and remove it, and use it. And there you have it. Now you know what's inside of a computer mouse, how it works, and what kind of parts that are worth salvaging. Thank you for watching Sci-Fi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Sci-Fi Tech videos. To the next tech, goodbye.